Hello developer. In the previous video, we talked about the challenges that solved from the hooks. So today I will solve one of the problem from one of them. So today I will solve these challenges. So and hide title. This will continue until I finish this all of topic from here listed that is listed here. So make sure you do subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon. And okay, let me go through these challenges. What actually we have to implement this challenge. Let me click on this challenge. Okay, in the left side you can see the description of this project of the assignment. So you have to basically implement a button to show and hide the text. In this images you can say the when you click on this button, so it hide the title, and again it is the show the titles. Okay, this is a pretty simple it's a very beginner you can say challenge, so every beginner can do easily. So I will solve in front of you in live. Okay, and I will also add this and I will also add this assignment within the with the description. So make sure you during the video you just do not try to implement with me, because it is not beneficial for the getting the concept. Okay, so once the I completed this video, then you can go through this link and check out how I basically implemented these features. Okay, this is the fair this will help you to understand in more details. So let me implement quickly. Let me remove all of the default code. Sorry. To implement this, so you have to, because this is the hooks related question, so you have to import some hooks. Let me import a hook like use state. Okay, this is comes from the React library. Now the React, because use state return an array with the two values. So I am same doing hide and so sorry set. So this is a it is not necessary to write set or anything. You can write anything whatever you want. Okay, use state initially it should be false. Let me click a button. Sorry, let me click a button, hide, and so okay, and also let me make a title over here. P, I am the title. Okay, you can see this is the things that one button and one is the title. Okay, okay, here when I click this hide button, so it should appear, it should disappear from this page, web page. And when again I click, so it should be appear on these pages. Okay, so how we can achieve? So for that we have to make a function. I will make a fat arrow function. And okay, when the user click this button, so it should trigger false to true. Once the hide is true, then at that time we have to show this title over there. Okay, how we can achieve? So it is pretty simple. All right, so we have to set this element, so we have to set this values. So when the user click, so it should be this sign tells us this. If the value is false, then you have to do you have to change with the true. If the true, you have to change the false. These are the thing and nothing else. And now let me console this value what actually I'm getting. If it is if I will get correct values, then I will use this to hide the title. Okay, let me show what actually we are getting over here. Is there anything I'm doing mistake here? No, I don't think so. Sorry, it should be hide, right? Yeah, let me check and console. Here you can see this is the default value is printing the default value is false, so that's why this printing the false. If I click this, so it should be print this true value. Let me check. Sorry, sorry. I haven't called this function handle click. Let me copy and paste over here. This time I should, yeah, you can see if I click again, click should false, again click it should true. Yeah, I am getting in correct way. So now we have to make a just write a parameter or just write a, you can say, template string. Template just we use a template literal, we can say a, here I will add a JavaScript in JavaScript. So how we can add JavaScript? So you have, if you want to add the JavaScript, you have to need a curly braces, open close curly braces. Inside this open curly braces, you can add the JavaScript. Okay, JavaScript code. And same doing, if the show is if the height is true, if the height is true, then you have to then print this, then print this string I am title. And if it if false, then nothing is so, okay, just empty. You can see here you can write in different way as well, right? You can also be write this way, inside this bracket. So you can, if you add any HTML tag, you can able to add I am title. Okay, if I click, it should hide. If I again click, it should appear. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, you can see. Yeah. So hope you like this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and also this check this link in the description box.